Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food toppers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Zesty Paws Wild Alaskan Salmon Oil. This supplement can be given to cats and dogs alike, so for homes where both types of pets are present, there's no need to buy special products for each animal. While this fish oil supplement may help control mild itching and skin allergies in dogs, though be sure to consult with your vet to make sure it isn't a more serious problem. Some pets may need to be medicated to relieve skin allergies and excessive itching. The fishy flavor will appeal to most dogs, and the texture will make them feel like they're getting something special with their regular food. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Stella and Chewy's freeze-dried raw Chewy's chicken meal mixers. It's made in small batches from responsibly sourced ingredients, including the protein and vegetables, and for pet owners who want to feed their dogs an all-raw or partially raw diet, it's ideal. At Stella and Chewy's, we believe that pure, raw nutrition fed in its natural state is the best way to help your pet thrive. Our limited ingredient recipes are simple and pure. Each batch of meal mixers starts with 90% or more meat, organs, and bone, and is often a single source of animal protein, the perfect solution for pets with food sensitivities. Each protein is grass-fed, cage-free, or wild-caught to guarantee your pet is eating as nature intended. At number 3, we have the Blue Buffalo Wilderness Trail Toppers. This grain-free product is one of the few specially made dog food topper products to come from a company that's already known for its dog food. That could make it ideal for pet owners who already feed their dogs a Blue Buffalo product. Protein is the chief ingredient, and depending on the flavor, other ingredients include broth, egg, and potato starch. In addition to beef, other flavor options include salmon and chicken, and all versions are grain-free. At number 2, we have the Flavors Food Topper for Dogs. It comes in a powder form that mixes with water to create a quick broth, which means you don't have to spend a ton of time preparing it. That also means you can give this product sparingly if you wish. For pet owners who worry they might spoil their best friend with special flavors, the powder topper mix will go a long way. The range of flavor options probably includes a taste that your dog loves, with peanut butter, white cheddar, chicken, and red meat options. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nutramax Welactin Omega-3 Fish Oil for Dogs. The rich fishy taste and added moisture will spice up your pet's day-to-day food doldrums. Like other fish oil products, though, it's unlikely pets will notice benefits beyond that. Because it's made from small, cold-water fish, this supplement will be less likely to contain toxins and other pollutants that often can be found in larger freshwater fish, even those that are wild-caught. For pet owners concerned about environmental toxins, such as heavy metals that are often present in fish, this is a critical consideration. This product is a fish oil supplement made entirely from wild-caught freshwater fish, making it a single-ingredient product. All products are examined for presence of heavy metals in the fish oil. A cheaper alternative with low contamination is available from Zesty Paws. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.